Post-construction termite treatment for plumbing chases is essential because termites often exploit gaps around pipes and utility lines to enter structures. Treat the soil in trenches beside plumbing lines by digging a narrow trench around the exterior chase and applying a liquid termiticide to the soil to create a continuous treated barrier. When working inside the chase, use a low-pressure injection wand to apply termiticide into voids and along the chase lines so the chemical contacts termite pathways without flooding the space. Rodent-proof and use corrosion-resistant mesh around pipes where they penetrate floors and walls, cutting the mesh to fit snugly and bending it to prevent gaps that insects can bypass. Install impervious collars or seals at pipe exits by using elastomeric sealants or molded collars sized to the pipe diameter so the seal compresses evenly and maintains contact as the pipe moves slightly. For plastic pipes that cannot take injected treatments directly, treat adjacent soils and use a foam termiticide for void filling that expands to coat interior surfaces. Follow label directions for dwell times and personal protective equipment. Document each treated chase with photos, measurements, product names, and treated volumes so future inspections can verify coverage and allow targeted retreatment if activity reappears. The three most common mistakes are missing hidden voids, improper sealing, and using inappropriate products. Technicians often miss small voids behind insulation or between stacked pipes, so inspect with a flashlight and probe and inject foam or low-pressure liquid into those spaces. Poor sealing happens when installers use loose fittings or compressible material that degrades, so choose durable molded collars and non-shrink sealants and recheck seals after settling. Using products not labeled for post-construction chase treatment wastes time and can be unsafe, so always match the termiticide label to the application method and substrate and keep product safety data on site. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors experienced in plumbing chase and termite mitigation, and we host a discussion community where members share practical tips and ask questions about treatments and installers. We help contractors find work by listing projects and allowing them to participate in community discussions that build reputation and lead to referrals.